Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you the 5 things you need to do before starting any business. Step 1, you need to make sure your business name is even available. I have a video going on a little more detail into this and how to just start a business. But first thing, make sure it's available. Step 2, make sure you got the right domain name. So if you go to GoDaddy, it's what I use. Look under their search. Make sure your domain name matches your actual business name. So let's say you do photography and your photography name is Cool Shots Photography. Make sure your website domain is coolshotsphotography.com or something very similar. You want to make sure everything matches all the way across. So step 3, make sure you got a Gmail or email account of some sort, Hotmail or Yahoo, something like that. Make sure it matches. So Cool Shots Photography at Gmail, at Yahoo, at Hotmail. You get the point. Step 3 and 4 are pretty similar. Social media. I would go after the main ones, Instagram and Facebook. Make sure that you see that the name is available. If you come to find out that some of these aren't available, you might want to rethink using that name. It's very important, in my opinion, to have your name across all platforms, across all the board. So that might be a good deciding factor on what name you go with, and that's why these top 5 things, at least I believe, are things you need to know before starting any business. Hope this video helps. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.